Welcome to MindSattva, practical wisdom for modern life. I'm Dr. Mitika Kanabar. I'm an everyday seeker, a curious thinker, and a lifelong learner. Have you ever wondered, how do you get space to explore the deeper meaning of life when you are running around, many things to do? Of course, we all are bombarded with stuff online about what are the 5 best ways to achieve greatness in life if only we could do them in as long as 9 seconds that it takes for that clip to load. What if we were to explore things a little differently, have deeper conversations to obtain clarity and meaning? This is the thought behind creating this MindSattva podcast. We know from Western wisdom that mind, our emotions, thoughts, and behaviors influence each other all the time. Sattva comes from Sanskrit. It means the mode of balance. The 3 modes of material nature are Rajas, Tamas, and Sattva. Rajas is red or fiery or angry. Tamas is darkness or tiredness. And Sattva is equipoise. It is the sunshine. It's the yogi on a mat. Now we all know that trouble has a way of finding us in our daily lives. As some of us have grown up hearing, when is the right time to dig a well? Is it the right time to dig a well when there's a fire? No. The right time to dig a well is well in advance, so that you have the water ready to douse any problems that can arise. MindSattva is a hope that we build our resilience, we build our equipoise within us, so that we respond, not react, to life's challenges. Not only that, how do we bring evidence, modern life, and what are the best practices to today? We will be speaking with experts, exploring this further. MindSattva is an invitation to have deeper conversations, to seek clarity, and to think of balance as the starting point, not the destination. Welcome to MindSattva, practical wisdom for modern life. Let's begin.